Hello, I will show you some facts about Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and is sometimes called the Earth's sister planet because of their similar size and mass. Venus rotates on its axis from east to west, unlike most other planets in the solar system. This means that on Venus, the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Venus has a very thick atmosphere that traps heat and makes it the hottest planet in the solar system. The average surface temperature of Venus is about 462 degrees Celsius, 863 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hotter than Mercury's day side. Venus does not have any natural satellites or rings around it. It also has very few impact craters because its atmosphere burns up most of the incoming meteoroids. Venus has a very slow rotation period of 243 Earth days, which is longer than its orbital period of 225 Earth days. This means that one day on Venus lasts longer than 1 year on Venus. Why does Venus have such a thick atmosphere? Venus has such a thick atmosphere because it is mainly composed of carbon dioxide, which is a greenhouse gas that traps heat and makes Venus very hot. Venus also lacks a global magnetic field that could protect it from the solar wind, which may have stripped away lighter gases like hydrogen and helium over time. Venus' atmosphere is so dense that it exerts a pressure of about 93 bars, 1,350 psi, at the surface, which is equivalent to being 900 meters, 3,000 feet, underwater on Earth. The clouds of Venus are made of sulfuric acid, which reflects most of the sunlight back into space and makes Venus appear very bright from Earth. Missions of Venus. There have been 46 space missions to Venus so far, including flybys, orbiters, landers and probes. The first mission to Venus was Mariner, which flew past Venus on December 14, 1962 and was the first spacecraft to visit any planet beyond Earth. The most recent mission to Venus was Akatsuki, which entered orbit around Venus on December 7, 2015 and is still operating as of 2023. In June 2021, 3 new missions to Venus were announced by NASA and ESA. Da Vinci Plus, NASA's Deep Atmosphere Venus investigation of noble gases, chemistry, and imaging plus will measure the composition of Venus' atmosphere and take high-resolution images of its surface features. Veritas, NASA's Venus Emissivity, Radioscience, in SAR, Topography, and Spectroscopy will map the surface and subsurface of Venus using radar and infrared sensors. Envision, ESA's Envision will study the geology and geophysics of Venus using radar imaging, spectroscopy and radioscience. Why is Venus called Venus? Venus is called Venus because it was named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. It is thought that Venus was named after this goddess because of its bright, shining appearance in the sky, which made it stand out among the other planets known to ancient astronomers. Venus is also the only planet in our solar system that is named after a female deity. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.